Hi everybody, welcome to Let's John Creator. Today I am going to model a simple kitchen accessories. It's a tiffin box. So let's go to the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe the channel, and you are very new to this 3D modeling, see my older videos for the beginners. This is also absolutely for beginners. Let's begin. After opening Blender, press Shift A and create a circle. Go to front view, tap to edit mode, and E to extrude in Z axis, 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 and go a little bit up, and E to extrude in Z axis. So after creating this, select the bottom vertices using a Alt key and click. E to extrude in scale, E to extrude 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 and scale once again, and M to merge at center. Press 2 on the keyboard for the edge selection. Select these edges. Okay, let me do further things. Here, select these edges. Press Ctrl B to bevel and create a 2 edge loops. And press Ctrl minus to select these thing. Scale it and in Z axis, and you can move towards like this, and E to extrude, sorry, C to cancel. Okay, go for the normal box select. And Alt S to scale, slightly debit like this, and go to the modifier tool, press Ctrl 3 to bevel, right click and shade smooth. So now our bottom base has been ready, but here it has a smooth option, but here also it has something different detailing. So what I am going to do, select these edges, press Ctrl B, and create one edges like this, so it comes like this shape. So our bottom has been ready. Now we are going to model a top cover for the same. Go to edit mode, select the top edges, and in vertexing mode, Shift D to duplicate, right click to cancel, go to the top view and go to the wireframe and S to scale slightly up. Okay, so I have scale like this, and E to extrude in Z axis, E to extrude in Z axis, and here we are going to create one more thing option. Create one edge loops using a Ctrl R key to create one edge loop. Go to the edge selection mode, press Ctrl B to bevel. Use your shift key to move it slowly and reduce the thing. And go to face selection, select these face, E to extrude and right click to cancel, Alt S to move towards outside little bit. So the shape has been came for us. Okay, right click, shade smooth, go to edit mode, select the top edge for the same, go to the edge selections, top edges, E to extrude in Z axis, go to the vertices mode, E to extrude in scale, and E to extrude and scale, 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 and M at merge at center. So our top cover has been ready for us. So in this I am going to give some designing for the top. So before that, go to this green triangle and select the auto smooth and go to edit mode, and I am going to one simple design in bottom. So go to the face selection, select these faces, press Control plus to increase the selection. Alt S to move slightly down. It's okay. Instead of that, extrude and right click to cancel. Alt S to go down a little bit and S to scale slightly like this to make this design. And we can give some sharpness for the corner. So select these edges, press Ctrl B and create small bevel and leave it. So now it looks one design for the top. Even the east edges also we have to make. So I press S to scale it a little bit inside and Ctrl B to bevel. Create a small edge creation. Okay, now this design has been ready. So our tiffin box is ready with the designs and completed. We have to do one thing. This box should be separate. Okay, actually the thing which is that is the cap should be separate. So I select this and press Ctrl, go to the face selection, select this one, press Ctrl L to select only the cover top thing and press P2 selection. So now this object has become separate. Now we have to object of origin is in some other way. It should be in middle of the mass. Go to set origin to the center of the mass. This is also same. No, this is let it be the same, no problem. So now our box has been ready. Go to this thing, view, I press Ctrl Z, Y to move and R to rotate and G to move. I'm going to place it like this. Okay, now I'm going to apply a material for this. Go to the material, create new, make it as steel. So in this go to material preview and I select the base color is little bit gray and I'm going to give full metallic. So now you can able to see this steel is in metallic, but it doesn't look like steel plastic, right? So I reduce the roughness. So I think it's heavy, so I make it a little bit, increase it. Okay, now our tiffin box has been ready. Bottom also I'm going to apply the same. Okay, so now our tiffin box is ready. So this is the tutorial for this video. It's completed and I go to the studio mode and we can do the rendering for this. So go to render mode. So how it looks. So it looks nice. Okay, I press Ctrl Alt 0, press N and go to the view and lock the camera view to align it. Okay, so which looks fine. And I go to the rendering view again. So this is the steel box. So we have given the background and everything is like this. So that's why it's looking cool. And go for the metal preview so you can able to see the boxes here like this. Okay, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, get all the new videos. Until then, bye bye friends.